how to transfer assets from Blockfi to Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer your assets from Blockfi to Coinbase. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you through the detailed steps by showing it right here, but I'll just be guiding you through. What you can do is once you open up the Blockfi app, you want to simply tap on withdraw. You'll have to make sure that you are eligible for withdrawal. So once you make sure, you want to simply tap on withdraw option there from the drop down, and once you tap on withdraw, that you can see you'll get an interface like this and you'll find the withdraw option. You want to tap on it and then you want to select the particular addresses. Now how you can get the address, you can open up Coinbase wallet and there you want to get the Coinbase wallet address. Once you get the address, you want to head over to Blockfi again and then type in or add in the address there. Once you paste the address there, then you want to select the particular asset that you wish to transfer and then go ahead through the prompts and steps in order to transfer it. So what you'll have to do is, the main thing is you'll have to get the particular wallet address that you are trying to transfer to. So if you're trying to transfer or withdraw to Coinbase, you'll have to get the Coinbase wallet address from your Coinbase wallet, and then you want to go ahead and get it and then paste it here on Blockfi, and then you can transfer it. So this way you can transfer from Blockfi to Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.